So we'll see what happens this year. So for the WickerShire project, our own seed bank, stuff that we make and collect. Nathan's gonna plant them. He's helped me plant the garden this year again. Two more, and I think we'll go down to the chicken coop and put them in the back. Yeah, let's do that. So for the WickerShire project, our own seed bank, stuff that we make and collect. Morning glories, you have no clue the actual amount that's in there. It's just so many. The acorn squash, we didn't wash it really well, but it's dry and so that cleans up easy. The processed ones go in there, and that's what that looks like. And there's probably about 20 to 25 seeds in there. Orange field pumpkin. This is the original lima beans. And when we package them up, when we grow them, this is the bulk supply of them. Chinese red noodle cowpeas, cantaloupes, muskmelon, forgot to write that on there. Seeds from the green honeydew melon. Sharon collected her basil when that went to seed. That's from the neighbor down the road from us, okra seeds. The green jalapeno. Tons, and I mean tons of sweet pepper seeds. Every time we harvest them, we just collect them and package them up once they dry. Yellow bell. Good bell pepper seeds. Those are probably green bell pepper seeds. Things I don't like to touch. The salsa red hot peppers, and then our sweet banana peppers. And sweet corn from 2024, 2025. Here's a bit of oddities that we have here for this year. 2026 oddities are coffee seeds, Sakura sweet melon, vine peach, sugarcane seeds, elephant grass. These are our own. Red Chinese long noodle bean, I seed saved. Teddy bear sunflower, citrus persimmon, fruit trees, fast growing, easy to maintain. Wife just picked up a small seed haul. Spearmint. I think she got an extra package by accident, but that's fine. Broadleaf sage. I was asking for this for a long time. It seems to do well here. Mammoth basil. Sweet pepper carnival blend. Evergreen bunch and onions. She picked up snowbird peas. I don't know if they'll grow here. It's kind of hot. We have oregano, red Reuben basil, otherwise known as purple basil, sweet basil. We typically grow that every year. Kaleidoscope blend of sweet peppers. I have trouble pronouncing that. Nantes Supreme? Nantes? Nante? Poinsettia 76 cucumbers. And you can tell, professional company, and this is a small seed shop of someone like you and I who does seeds and mails them out. Orange field pumpkin. There's approximately 20 seeds in here, 21 seeds. I shook the bag. That's the only one that didn't sprout. These were pulled from a live pumpkin last year, dried out, and then planted this year. They're viable. So all of them are good. We're going to get them in the starter cups with the compost in here, just to give them a good start. Oh, we got a stick. We're going to make some holes and shove them down in there. Ready? Right in the center of the cups, buddy. You can use the stick or your fingers. Just put holes right in the center. He gets very distracted easy. How many cups we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to do 15 cups, 1 seed each. And I think we'll put the other 5 somewhere else in another pot or something. I am being bit by ants, Nathan. Look at this.
I'm not.
It's an ant path right there. So we got all those planted in. Question is where to put them. 10 inch by 10 by 8 inch deep hole down to the clay. And with that, we're going to need for a pumpkin minimal, at least a gallon of compost. And that just about fills it. We got to ring this. We got to do a fairy ring, Nathan. We're going to need rocks. Good. We don't want to press it in. I can press around it. Don't press the hole in where it's at. That just keeps everything in contact. Yeah, stop putting rocks. We'll fairy ring this. That way we know we got a pumpkin in there. Done. Looks like a ring. That's how you know we got something planted in the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pumpkins. Anywhere from 6 to 8 pumpkins for the Shire. But because we got that many growing up there in those pots, we're going to have a ton of them. So that's part of the spring planting, our orange field pumpkins. Where do I want to run my pumpkins? Again, pumpkin vine can get 20, 30, 40 feet. You know, on average they're about 8 foot wide and they're probably about 20 foot long. And there we got 15 growing. They're redundancy. I only want 1 or 2 of them. But I'm really looking forward to getting a big harvest this year. I want to impress the YouTube channel. I don't think we should put them in there. I got stuff planted in there already. Why don't we stick one in the cup right there. Look behind you, the black cup. Put a hole in there with your finger. You see this here? I got stuff planted down in here. See that? I dug that out. Put one in there. See, the other one didn't grow last year. Yeah, it's all right. Go in the center, the middle. Dig a hole, wiggle it. Put the... Yeah, that'll work. Nice. All right, we got 1 pumpkin there, which is what we only needed that one. That's the only seed we actually needed to plant for the year for us. 4 or 5 pumpkins are plenty. You know, we're gonna have tons again if they grow well. That one there. Let me think. Pumpkin vine growing out. What to do with it? Up here? Yeah, I know, but how are we going to protect it? You want to put rocks around it? Where's your shovel to dig? Go get your shovel. I don't know if we want it there because it'll be hard to get. No, that's a grasshopper.
She needs a grasshopper.